Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome, guys. Let's discuss. Happy Sunday. So, guys, let's discuss about the crypto market, not just the crypto alone, even if there is a huge bullish news for the SRP community. And as you all know, so SRP community, so SRP Army, they are most of the strongest community in the crypto sector. So, guys, let's discuss about the crypto market overall. So let's see what is happening in the world of crypto. Bitcoin is still trading above $83,000, so which is fantastic. And I know that it's Sunday, and you guys are already enjoying the weekend. So quickly, so let's see what is happening in the market. And what Blackrock, which is one of the biggest investor, one of the biggest Bitcoin investor. So as you all know, he's Bitcoin ETF holds trillions upon trillions of dollars. And what you have to say about SRP and the crypto market. So quickly, guys, as always, the market is still doing fine, so you don't have to be scared. All you just need to do is DCA dollar cost average. Quickly, let's see what is happening in the market. So before we go into the headlines and before we see what the headlines are saying about the SRP, and as you can see with the 7 days trade, so SRP is up with about 8%. Just like BNB, that is because BNB is still up with almost about 8%. That is because Dubai is being called one of that dude who invested about $2 billion in BNB chain. So and you all know that is one of the huge amount of money that people have invested in the crypto sector just in the past few years. So which is huge for BNB. That is why BNB is up. So SRP is up with about 8.2% in the last 7 days. So Bitcoin is still trading above $83,000. We haven't still been able to break that support of $84,000 to $85,000 and stay above. So if we be able to break this support of $84,000 to $85,000 and stay above this $86,000, it will really help the crypto market. But it's still not bad. So as you can see, the market is still, we are on weekend. So if you are trading right now, it's better not to trade. So that is because the market has still not stable yet. But if you want to trade with a little average, which is still not bad. So as you can see on the market, so the only coin that is up today huge, which is a Tron coin. So there's also a huge news for the Tron coin. So, and as you can see, SRP is slightly up with 8%. So what happened is that, as you all know, Ripple, which are the team behind the SRP, those have been sued by the SEC, so which are into the crypto regulator, have been sued by SEC for over 5 years now, and the issue have been in court, and because of that, so SRP have been stagnant till this year. SRP break its on-time high once again. You can see this was between about 2018. Yes, 2018, Ripple was trading between $2.50. So before the SEC sued them. Since then, SRP have been stagnant. Till this year, we broke almost about $3. We're trading around almost about $3. So which is good for Ripple and the crypto sector as well as overall. So I see no other community or other team that have been able to fight the SEC apart from Ripple. That is because they hold a huge amount of SRP. So they were selling and they faced the law case between them and the SEC at the end, as you can see. So there are huge news. There is a good news for them. So we show that they have already overpowered the SEC. And because of Ripple, so clarity have come into the crypto system. So guys, on this headline over here, says considering clarifying SRP as a commodity in settlement talks with Ripple. For sure, they have to do that. And Ripple have been fighting this case for over years now, for like almost about half a decade right now. So when SRP have been stayed between, have been stayed $1 for over a years, for over years upon years. So SRP have been trading between about $20 to 20. So I'm clicking on I'm on Solana, guys. So SRP have been trading on that $1 for years upon years right now. As you can see, it was trading between about 20 cents before, even if about that 2021, it came back up with about $1.50 in 2021. Now went up high to about $3 just a few weeks back before the market started coming back up. So if this happens, you all know that if finally Lipo finally have a clarity about about this their SRP, and it will really help the market, and the repo, the SRP army. So they are happy Sunday, my man. Happy Sunday and happy weekend. If repo finally get a clarity, then people have already brought a clarity to the crypto sector. This is because before now, so nobody was willing to face the SEC apart from the repo. So they faced the SEC and they have been fighting it. They have spent millions upon millions in this court case, and that is because so the SEC was saying that SRP is a security, and repo said no. So how will you say that we say security? That is because we just said we sold some of those tokens during the launch. So how will you say SRP is a security? So repo have been fighting this case for years upon years right now, and finally they are getting a clarity in the crypto sector. And I was a huge fan of Lipo. That is because I heard a lot of SRP back then before the market did back down. So I haven't still sold during that time. So until this time when SRP broke $3 towards again, so I have to take a little bit of profit. That is why I always say it's always good to take profit. So whenever you're a profit, it's very, very important to take profit. So now deep back down is still trading between a lot of prediction. So which is on this headline, which I will be showing you guys. So that as of now, even if when it's still trading between $2.31, it's still not bad. That is because I've been trading between 20 cents for a while, for a long time now. So if you have still bought into SRP, even if here it was still trading up between 40 cents even last year before finally broke this $3 point. Now it's slightly down, which is still not bad. So guys, there are a lot of fantastic news. So guys, how are you guys doing over there? I hope you guys are good. So as you can see, let's see on this other headline. So crypto lawyers John Dicton, the box report claiming SEC assigning the specific loads to SRP, ADA, and soon. That's not just SRP. What this lawyer is saying is that so there is a specific role for SRP, ADA, and so for sure Solana is one of the big layer one in the crypto sector, which I believe in so much. I'm also a huge fan of so. But one thing is that some people buy, let's say for example, they buy Solana, so they will now hate SRP. No, so there is a room for everyone to grow. You have to put this. This is one of the reality in the crypto sector. So you must not have to put all your bag in all your eggs in one basket. That is how they make that variable. So you don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. At least you can invest in SRP and also invest in Solana and the rest. Sometimes SRP up with about 50% and Solana is down. So you have to diversify. So at least spread your money around. At least, but don't forget to make sure that the Bitcoin is the big boss. Bitcoin is the head of cryptocurrency. So at least don't forget to make sure you have Bitcoin on your portfolio. It's very, very important. So to have a Bitcoin on your portfolio. Yeah, you're 100% right. Diversification of a portfolio is very, very important, my man. So, you know, a lot of people, one thing is that so they only hold one token. If they are holding ADA, so they only hold ADA. So whenever somebody speak about ADA, so maybe you speak about ADA, tell them that so there is a bad news. So they will be angry about that. So which is there is a room for everyone to grow. So what you just need to know is that you have to make sure that your portfolio, you spread it around. As I always say, I go with this rule of 30, 40, 20, 20, 20. So I divided, like it's about 40, where I divided about 4 places. So at least the first 40% go into Bitcoin, the other 20, 20, 20. So 20% in the big cap. Let me go back a little bit. Let me go back for here. 20% in the big cap that has about 20% in big cap that has almost about 10 billion market cap up, and the other 20% into the meme coin. So the other 20% is going into the NFT sectors. So because even if it's just about a few minutes ago, I was in OpenSea. So that there is a view which I will even show to you guys in one view when we will be, in order for you to flip your NFT instantly. But on this stream, so we'll be focusing on this SRP news. So those SRP news. So, and BlackRock, they have something huge about saying about this SRP setup. So quickly, let's see on this other headline. So there are a lot of multiple ways to flip NFTs, guys. Let me dive into this a little bit. So guys, let's say for example, if you are OpenSea, you all know that OpenSea is one of the largest NFT marketplace. Let's quickly see this. So if you are OpenSea, there's other NFT marketplace which is called Magic Eden. Most of those markets are not linked to each other. So most of those markets are not linked to each other. There are some NFT trading with about $20 in OpenSea, but they are trading between about $40 on Magic Eden. The best strategy is that buying it on OpenSea, go and flip it on Magic Eden. So guys, quickly, let's see what next. So as you can see on this other headline over here, it's still not all about SRP. So there's a lot of fantastic news about repo this period. So numbers of SRP address hit an all-time high. Good. So guys, as you can see, even when the market is down, so the big boys are still buying. Why do you think they are buying? That is because they believe in the asset, they believe in those tech. So one of the best strategies, buy DCA in your favorite altcoin and Bitcoin whenever the market is down like this, is by DCA. That is one of the best strategies. So even if when the market is still down, so SRP's address hitting all-time high. That is because the big boys are buying. They keep DCA, keep adding more altcoin and Bitcoin to their portfolio. And you all know just less than 3 weeks now, when President Trump signed it too long for them to add Bitcoin to their reserve, they don't want to buy in a high price. So what they will do is to push the market down so they will be able to buy lower. And so that's you all should smash the like, press the subscribe. Don't forget, every end of the month, so there is a huge gift for you guys. What I'll be doing is that the top followers of this channel, so I'll be sending you guys some NFTs. I will already show that this month, maybe I'll be sending you guys some Solana NFTs, not just NFTs, and you guys will still be eligible to win some crypto, guys. So I will be sharing about up to 10 NFT to the top. I'll be sending about up to 10 NFTs to the top followers of this channel. As always smash the like and press the subscribe button so that with crypto we'll be able to achieve financial freedom together. Yeah, you are welcome, my man. For sure. So I do own some Solana NFTs on this wallet, which I have. Nevertheless, so no need. So I'll be sending it to you guys. So all you just need to do, you have to be active, share with your friends and family in order for them to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so we can achieve this financial freedom together. So that is why I decided every single day I do like so, as you guys can see, just because yesterday was weekend, not that yesterday was Saturday, but I wanted to stream, but nothing much was happening in the market. So that is why I did not stream, not because it was weekend. So every single day I'm here live streaming to encourage you guys, not take financial advice, to encourage you guys to keep holding your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. That is because last cycle, when I was here, so if the market did back down a little bit, I would be scared and sell my Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. So if the market is still coming back up, I will buy back in a higher price, which is not the best strategy. So that is because of that, As you guys can see every single day, I'm here to encourage you guys to keep holding your crypto. Yeah, for sure. Favor, I do see you guys are, I can see you, I can see you without BIT. So guys, as you can see on this other headline over here, how high SRP could rise if SEC drops a repo lawsuit per latest credible rumor. So guys, you should read through this article, this headline over here. So what he's saying is that because the last cycle, when SRP was still trading between when SRP was trading between a 40 set, so 40 set, almost about 47 set. So before, let me hear back out. Where's repo? So is it hiding? Good. So last cycle, let's see it. SRP was at 47 set, just like as I said. So before they won their first lawsuit against the SEC, so it jumped up with almost about 101%. And now the big boy, as you can see on this headline over here, he said that if SRP won this law case against the SEC, it will be going up with almost about 101% from here, which will take SRP to about $4 plus. So, which is good for them, and it's good for the SRP armies. So, and you guys know that SRP army, they are the most strongest community in the crypto sector. That is because even if years before now, few years ago, between 2017 to 2018, so SRP market cap overpowered Bitcoin market cap back then. So before the SEC sued them, that was why the SEC was very, very interested in their case that time. So SRP market cap back then was above a Bitcoin market cap. Was above a Bitcoin market cap early 2017/2018. So SRP market cap was above a Bitcoin market cap. So if you don't know about that, so you can go and check it. Let's quickly see it. So between 2000, if you head over here, this is when between this was 2017, 2018, you can see it over here. This is where his all-time high of about $250 when the market cap overpowered was above Bitcoin market cap back then. So guys, let's quickly see on this other headline, say that owning 10,000 SRP put you in top 10%, but big banks does not want you to know about this business consultant. What he's saying is that holding about 10,000 SRP on your portfolio, so it puts you in about 10% of SRP holders. So to me, so if you read on this headline over here, we've noticed that so in order for it to put you about 5% holders, you have to be holding about this 10,000 SRP. It's not really about 10. It will not really put you about 10% holder. So you have to hold about 10,000 SRP for it to put you about 5% holders. So he explained that why he said that the 10,000 holder will put you about 10%. That is because some of them are still in lock. So some of the SRP are still in their escrow, which they locked them. Yeah, I will be starting this year, next few months, let's say next few months, I'll be starting a this year portfolio. So when I will be buying and you guys will be seeing once in a week. So you may decide back then you will be adding about them. To me, I will be adding $50. That will be a public wallet when I will be adding about $50 to my portfolio every single week. It will be on Thursday. So every Thursday, I'll be adding $50 to my portfolio. As you can see, even if the weekly, over here, if you look the top 10 cryptocurrency, SRP is the one, SRP and BNB is the one up with 8%. That is because, so even if BNB, so that Dubai guy invested about $2 billion in the chain just last week. That is because of that. That is why BNB is up, but SRP is the other coin that is up with about 8%. That does not mean you don't have to take profit, guys. Put it in back of your mind. One of the best strategy here in crypto, if you hold SRP and you are in profit, take profit. It's very, very important. You all know that each time the market did back down and you did not take profit, you won't be able to buy more. So the best strategy for you to hold more Bitcoin, more cryptocurrency, more SRP, more ADA is by taking profit. So it's very, very important to take profit. Let's see on this other headline over here, SRP price watch. Boost as 3% as a key support holder. Holds. Yeah, we are still trading. It's still trading about between $2.31 set right now. So and the bulls are saying that so if we move up from here, we'll be heading to about let's quickly see. To be heading to about $3 per a coin. To me, we said that can happen in less than 24 hours if the market is going up. So if the market, let's say Bitcoin push up to about if Bitcoin push up to 60,000, sorry guys, I take that back. If Bitcoin push up to $86,000 and stay above there, SRP could easily go to $3 as a coin. So guys, let's see. So there are a lot of bullish news, and which is a Blackrock, and you all know that is a manager of trillions worth of assets. So Blackrock, which is managing trillions dollars worth of assets. What does he say? He said that they have already applied for the SRP spot ETF. So which you all know what that means. When a Bitcoin ETF reserve, when a Bitcoin spot ETF was approved, so after then, what happens is by approving the reserve in the US decide to add Bitcoin to their reserve, and it may happen to the SRP too. So guys, let's see what next on this headline. As you can see, Bitcoin gets the 120,000 June target as a data print. This bull market comeback. Even if as of today, we are still trading between 80,000 to 85,000. A lot of people are still bullish, say that we'll be heading up to $126,000 next in the next few months. So is that possible? For sure. So and you know, Bitcoin can decide to add $20,000 to the market in just one day. Bitcoin usually pop up with 20-30% in a day. So if the market were to pop, it pop. So guys, as always, you don't have to be scared. The best strategy is by DCA, dollar cost average, into your portfolio whenever you have some cash on your side. Don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. Don't come into the market and be thinking, oh, okay, you have to double your money overnight. It does not work that way. It's very, very important to add more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency like Solana, Ethereum, and the rest to your portfolio each time the market is down. As you can see, even if the big boys, as of now, even if as we are trading between 80,000, 82,000, 83,000, and Bitcoin is still trading sideways, so the big boys are still expecting the market to go up to 126,000 in the next few months, which can even happen in less than a month. So, and you don't know. So, just about 3 months ago, Bitcoin added about $20,000 to the market to the price in less than 2 weeks. So, in less than 2 weeks. So, Bitcoin is that asset that has a mass supply, and once Bitcoin start popping, other altcoins follow like SRP, Ethereum, Solana, ADA, and the rest. They start popping. Yeah, I will notify you guys once I start my DCA portfolio, so that we will keep the DCA together. So, and you guys will see what I'm buying. Even if you decide, if I add $50, you decide, okay, you will be adding $10. Good. And you decide you'll be adding $2. Good. That is one of the best strategies. So to win in the crypto market. people will tell you in the next few years you were lucky for investing in cryptocurrency this year, but they didn't know that the volatility you face. One of the things is that people who invest in Bitcoin years back, 10 years ago, who buy Bitcoin around $1,000. So if there was not strong enough, when Bitcoin go to like $1,000, they will have sell, but they did not so, they keep it in their portfolio. That is why as of today, we still have people who hold 10,000 worth of Bitcoin, 20,000 worth of Bitcoin, but they spend less than $20,000 to buy them. So even if when Bitcoin is trading at $84,000 as of today. Guys, as you can see on this other headline over here, not just Bitcoin, so there are still a lot of fantastic news. But one thing is that you all know that Michael Saylor, who is the CEO of Strategy, so he's almost in loss in his Bitcoin. So Michael Saylor's Strategy profits dropped below 9 billion. So Michael Saylor is still in profit, but a lot of people are afraid that if, for example, Michael Saylor MicroStrategy, which is Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of Strategy, before now the company is called MicroStrategy. They have rebranded the company to Strategy. So a lot of people are afraid that if the Strategy are in total loss, like now they are still in profit with 9 billion. If they're in total loss, so they will sell their Bitcoin. But Michael Saylor say if Bitcoin drop to $1, it's just I don't think if I have that video here. He said a lot of people say Michael Saylor will MicroStrategy will get liquidated. He said if Bitcoin fall to $1, instead of him to sell his Bitcoin, we buy all the Bitcoins. And you all know Bitcoin will never go to $1 again. There are miners. So it's just that people did not know how Bitcoin works. There are miners who are powering the network. So there are miners who are powering the Bitcoin network. So you just have to believe that Bitcoin will be going to zero. Even in last cycle, that is what people always say whenever the market is down. Last cycle, what happened is I was here when Bitcoin head up to $64,000. From $64,000, we fall down to $16,000. When it was trading around $60,000, what people were saying is that Bitcoin is going to zero. Bitcoin is going to zero. Bitcoin is going to zero. Some were saying that Bitcoin is going to 10,000. One of our man, which is called Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff is a gold investor. So he never believed in Bitcoin one day. And Peter Schiff was saying, Peter Schiff was saying Bitcoin is going to zero. So which never happened. So now Peter Schiff admits that Bitcoin is a store of value, so they can add Bitcoin to the reserve. But why should they add a coin like SRP and Solana to the US reserve? That is a garbage. You will see next few years from now, Peter Schiff will also admit that they should add the altcoin to the US reserve. So that is crypto for you. So people who never believe in it are people who don't know how Bitcoin and crypto works. So if you even tell people that you work in Bitcoin or you invest in Bitcoin, they will look you as a fraudster. They say, no, Bitcoin is used for fraud, Bitcoin is used for that, which is not true. And you know that Bitcoin is powered by miners. So Bitcoin is a store of value. Bitcoin is a digital gold. So you can define it in multiple ways, in many ways. So guys, and as I always say, if you're investing in meme coin, be careful. So this guy over here is the guy who is behind the Merenia and Libra Lodge. So it's we called Davis, is something like Davis team. So it's wanted by Interpol, hiding Davis's launches another meme coin. So this dude, so the meme coin that he launched about a few months ago, if you guys all know that Melania, so they said after he launched, it's not just the meme coin door, but they sent a huge amount of the tokens out from a hidden wallet, like even if that Libra coin. So they send a huge amount of meme coin to a hidden wallet. So even if now as of the market is down, so those dudes are hiddenly selling those meme coin and dropping the market down. Dropping the market that make the market comes down by thousands upon thousands of percent. Now he launched his own meme coin again. So guys, what am I trying to say? What you need to know is that crypto is here to stay, and there is a huge news for the SRP army. So if you are holding SRP, hold strong. But if you're in profit, you can take profit. It's very, very important to take profit. That is because if you did not take profit, how will you be able to buy back if the market did back down? So unless you will be ready to get a side job, just like me. So if Bitcoin did back below $20,000, hey guys, you guys will get me a new job. I'm ready to work. So I'll be able to buy more Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. So guys, crypto is here to stay. I know it's Sunday and you guys want to keep enjoying the weekend. And as you can see, the market is still not doing bad. So once again, just like right now, you have S&P has added about with the 7 days trade, it has added about 2%. Just now when I started streaming, it was about 8% with the 7 days trade. So right now it has added about 8.70%, which is good. It's like you guys are pushing the market more higher. I mean, what is going on? Favor, my man. Don't worry. I will invite you to come and visit me in Italy. So when are you coming? So guys, crypto is here to stay. All you just need to do is buy DCA dollar cost average. So dollar cost average into your portfolio. So the market is still not way bad. So is the S&P is the one coin that is up with 10% right now. So BM followed by BNB. Solana with the 7 days is still down. Don't forget, I'm also a big fan also. So Solana is still down. That is because last week they unlocked about $23 million worth of Solana. So those people may be taking profit. So okay, that's worry. I may be coming to even need that side just because I wanted to travel, but nevertheless. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to $200,000. So we'll be streaming around the world. So guys, crypto is here to stay. The best strategy is by DCA dollar cost average, so that when the market is up, you will be able to take profit and with crypto, financial freedom we shall achieve together. As for most of you guys who are coming into crypto right now, you want to invest in crypto and you don't know how to start. It's simple, guys. The best strategy to start investing in crypto is by having an exchange account. You may decide to register with Binance or BYBIT. So there is link on the description of this video to register with BYBIT. So all you just need to do is to click on the link, create a strong password. Then you verify your document. So after you verify your document, you have an IBAN. You can deposit with either credit card or use a bank transfer. So you can start as little as $2. Guys, it's very, very important. So you know one thing is that people don't know that you can start investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency with $2, with $3. Few years back, Bitcoin was still trading at $1. As of today, Bitcoin is trading at $84,000. So which is good for the crypto market. You can start. Bitcoin has created more millionaires than ever in the past few years. It's the asset that has a mass supply. Even if the market is there right now, that is because people are selling. They are taking profit. People who buy into the Bitcoin market when it was trading low, they are taking profit. I show you guys a lot of metrics that show that the big boys are taking profit. As you can see, the mass supply is. Let me bring it up. Where is it? Look it here. The mass supply of Bitcoin is 21 million. 21 million that will ever exist on this planet. It's 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist on this planet. The miner, right as of right now, the circulation supply is about 19.8 million. 19.8 million Bitcoin already in circulation. So we show that the one we still need to have right now is about 1.2 million Bitcoin that the miner are still yet to mine. But right now, about 19.8 million is already in circulation. So few years from now, you want to buy Bitcoin, you'll be buying it at $1 million per coin. So that is why Michael Saylor is raising more funds. He's raising more money to buy more Bitcoin as of this point. So if those big boys are buying, so you just need to start buying as little as you can. So that if Bitcoin is trading at 1 million to 1 million per coin, 10 million per coin, so then we will be financially free. At least you have to eat what you want to eat without being working for someone. There was a family who sold there was a family a few years back when a Bitcoin was trading between $20,000, $21,000. So then Bitcoin did back down to $50,000. What they do is that they sold most of the expenses still where they have as of that time. So they buy Bitcoin. Today they are already doing well. So the sentiment is still low. So you can see the fear and greediness. So a lot of people are still fearful. It's still true. The fear and greediness is still between 24. So let's do a little bit of Q&A. Let me see. Verse has been down for a while now, my man. That is the reality. Verse has been I do hold a lot of Evers, but it's been down. As you can see, with about it's still trading at $80. Evers all-time high was about $140. Here is showing me. Let's see if I can see it on a trading view. The all-time high was about let's see. Yeah, just like as I said, $140, $145. 2021. I was here that time. I was still holding Evers. All-time high was about $146. So I was still holding Evers that time. So when Evers went up to $140, $145, I was thinking it was $140, $146. But now it's been down, you know. The market is down right now. So nevertheless, that is why you don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. So at least you have to diversify your portfolio, which is very, very good. At least add some cash to Solana, hold some Solana, hold the SRP, hold the BTC. So hold EDA. So you don't have to just say because you like SRP or you are SRP army. So the only coin you will be holding is SRP. No, it does not work that way, guys. At least try to make sure your 40% is in Bitcoin. That is because most of the time Bitcoin is up and altcoins are down. But once Bitcoin start popping, altcoins will follow. So Bitcoin is the head of cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin it has a mass supply powered by miners. So the inflation is so low, and every single year the inflation keep decreasing. Every single year the inflation keep decreasing. So guys, if you are watching me in any platform, if you are watching me from Twitter, so every single day I do live stream here. So all I do is to encourage you guys to hold your cryptocurrency. So hold strong, so that the big boys who are buying should not just take your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for you. As you can see over here, so every single day I do live stream to encourage you guys to hold your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency so we can achieve a financial freedom together. And you all know that is one of the best freedom you can give to yourself. When you are financially free, it does not mean you don't work again, but at least you don't have to do what people tell you to do. So that is why even if the government, they don't want you to be financially free, they keep printing more money every single day. You can't print more Bitcoin. So they keep printing more money, but more Bitcoin is what you can't print. The government every single day, they keep printing more money, using it for necessity, causing inflation. So your buy power keep decreasing every single day, and you keep receiving the same salary, your same paycheck. So in order for you to free yourself from this situation is by investing in a strong asset like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana, and the rest. So those one, Ethereum, Solana, they are tech. They are not Bitcoin. So they are tech. So that is why I always say at least try to make sure you have 40% in Bitcoin. Last upper cycle, so after Bitcoin, it was followed by Ethereum. So and Solana. Then the law case against SRP was still strong. So SRP was not poppy back then. That is because of that. Because of that, that is why a lot of people are thinking if this law case against SRP finally over with the SEC, and it will really help SRP a lot. So it will make it pop. So a lot of people are still comparing SRP market price to Bitcoin because years back, SRP market cap overtake Bitcoin. So as of today, the SRP market cap is still trading. Let's quickly see the SRP market cap. So as of today, SRP market cap is between 134 billion. But 2018, 2019, so SRP market cap overtake Bitcoin market cap. So don't know you can see that. So the market cap of this thing today of SRP is 131 million, 131 billion. It's almost 132 billion. But 2017, 2018, the market cap of SRP overtake Bitcoin. When Bitcoin market cap as of today is still above 1.7 trillion. And if SRP's market cap go to 1.7 trillion, you all know it really helps the SR, which we take SRP to how much? Almost about that will take it to almost about $10, $8 to $10 for sure. So guys, crypto is here to stay. The best strategy is by DCA, dollar cost average. So every single day, I'm here live streaming to encourage you guys to keep holding your Bitcoin and DCA more. And don't forget to smash the like and press the subscribe button so that each time I'm live, and I turn on the notification bell so that each time that I'm live, you will get notified. As you can see here, every single day I do live stream. So, and end of the month, I will be giving away some NFTs and crypto. So, in order for you to be eligible, you just have to do nothing. The best thing for you to do is by just smashing the like and press the subscribe button. Share the video, the live stream with your friends and family. That is just what you have to do. So you do nothing else. So for you to be eligible. So and each time that I'm live, you have to tune in. So at the end of the month, I will check the people who are active on the channel. So I will give out those NFTs to you guys. I hold the Solana NFT, so I will be sharing with you guys. And so, guys, I know it's weekend, and sorry, we are already about going to an hour, man, which is crazy. So, guys, I'll see you guys all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. As always, don't forget, you are smart and intelligent, and don't let people. Like in the crypto sector, don't let anybody intimidate you. Don't let people maybe sharing a screenshot of their portfolio, of their wallet, to make you feel like you are just coming into the market right now, you hold nothing. No, they all started like that. So you can start with $2, $3, and don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. It's very, very important. So because you see people hold a big amount of portfolio, so don't let make you put all your money outside there. You have to put it in back of your mind, guys. Little by little, invest in the market step by step, as much as you can. Don't put all your money out there. So, and those boys, a lot of people may be showing you guys your portfolio, telling you that they hold a portfolio. What as you all know, that is because of that, I don't usually share a wallet with you guys. So I don't want you guys to feel like, so because you're holding a such amount of money. So, guys, crypto is here to stay. There's more money to make in the crypto sector. There is more money to make, not just crypto, NFT too. So you have to learn about NFT. In order for you to learn about NFT, the best strategy to start is by starting with crypto. Start adding money into the crypto sector. Look, those NFTs, as you can see right now, if you look at the total all-time performance, if you look at the total price for performance, the floor price, most of them are still trading between 12, as you can see, BYBIT is still trading at 12 ETH, which is huge. So it's still trading at 12 ETH, which is huge. And this one over here is still trading at 2 ETH. So Azuki is still low. Just about a few months back, Azuki was trading at 10 ETH. So the market is totally down right now, not just Bitcoin or SRP. So all the total tech market is down, even in stock market. So stock market is down. So, and you guys don't forget, so SRP, the law case, the law case is going into their favor. So, and Blackrock, so it has applied for the spot ETF, and it will really help them a lot. So guys, tune in tomorrow 6 p.m. Central European time. Turn on the notification bell, smash the like and press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. So don't forget, that is one of the ways for you to be eligible to win NFTs at the end of this month. So in order for you to be eligible, share the live stream with your friends and family. So that is because, so once you share, so I can see it here. So share with your friends and family, press the subscribe button so that at the end of the month, you'll be able to eligible for your NFTs and some cryptocurrency. So guys, see you all tomorrow 6 p.m. Central European time. So I've said that multiple times. That is because you guys are still keeping me busy and the questions are still coming. I can see a lot of you guys watching from X, aka Twitter. If you are watching me from Twitter, so guys, head over to the YouTube channel at Charisco Crypto, as you can see it over here at Charisco Crypto. So turn on the notification bell and subscribe so that each time that I'm live on YouTube, you will get notified. Because most of the time, so I will be streaming on YouTube. I will be able to stream to X, which is Twitter. So guys, once again, you are smart and intelligent. So with crypto, financial freedom, we shall achieve together. See you all tomorrow, guys. Charisco is out.